Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening a private window so your browsing session won't save history, cookies, or form data. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus N on Windows or CMD plus Shift plus N on Mac to open Incognito immediately. Alternatively, use the browser menu and choose New Incognito window. Once done, check the Windows icon or label that indicates private browsing. Make sure extensions are disabled if privacy matters, because some extensions still run unless turned off. Now use the address bar to visit sites just like normal, but remember Incognito only stops local history and cookies from being stored. You can download files and create bookmarks. Those remain on your computer, so manage them if you want full privacy. Once done browsing, avoid logging into accounts if you want anonymity, because signing in links activity to your account. Also note that sites can still track you through account logins or browser fingerprinting. Finish by closing every Incognito window. That action removes the session's cookies and history stored by the browser. If you notice data still appearing, make sure extensions are disabled in Incognito or try restarting the browser. Extensions can leak data if allowed. Once closed, consider adding a VPN or a privacy-focused search engine for stronger protection, because Incognito does not hide your activity from your ISP or sites you sign into.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.